Unit 6, Lost and Found, pages 82 and 83. 1. Listen and discuss. Amazing Lost Treasures.
Motezumas Treasure. Moctezuma II was an Aztec emperor who ruled from 1502 to 1520. This was a time when the Aztecs controlled most of what is now Mexico and Central America. In 1520, the notorious Spanish invader Hernán Cortés kidnapped and killed Moctezuma. Cortés and his men then collected all of Moctezuma's dazzling treasures and tried to escape with them. But the Aztecs, who refused to surrender, caught up with the Spanish and fought them. Cortés and a few of his men escaped empty-handed, but eventually returned to take revenge and to attempt to steal the treasure again. However, the Aztecs hid the treasure somewhere around Lake Texcoco, and Cortés never found it. One of Mexico's former presidents actually drained Lake Texcoco in an attempt to find the treasure, but he failed to find any trace of it. Today it is believed that Moctezuma's treasure is hidden somewhere near Mexico City, but no one knows exactly where.
Tutans Treasure. King Tutankhamun of Egypt, the boy pharaoh, succeeded his father to the throne when he was barely 9 or 10 years old. He died in his late teens. According to speculation, he was either assassinated or died of infection after an accident. Tutankhamun's tomb in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt is the best preserved royal tomb ever discovered. Theodore M. Davis, an American businessman, was the first person to find clues that led to the discovery of the tomb. Howard Carter, an Egyptologist, confirmed upon examining the clues that the tomb lay inside the Valley of the Kings, the royal necropolis of the time. Carter persuaded his friend Carnarvon to finance his search for the tomb. They had nearly given up when they finally noticed some steps buried under an ancient hut leading to the sealed door of the tomb. They dug an opening that allowed entry to the tomb, where they found the most amazing artifacts: gold masks and furniture, stunning jewelry, exquisite paintings in inlaid boxes, and other objects of astonishing beauty and craftsmanship. It took Carter many years of his life to study and record all the findings. Everything was photographed and itemized. King Tut's treasure toured the world for the first time in the 70s. The second tour began in 2004.
The Amber Room. The Amber Room was a 180 square foot, 17 square meter room whose 4 walls were made of 6 tons of amber, decorated with jewels. The room, which was constructed by Prussian King Friedrich Wilhelm I, took over 8 years to build. It was completed in 1716, at which time it was given to Tsar Peter the Great of the Russian Empire as a gift. During World War II, the Nazis found the invaluable room, tore it down, packed it in hundreds of crates, and took it to a destination that has never been discovered. One theory is that it was loaded onto a passenger ship that was sunk by a Soviet submarine. Another possible destination was the Ore Mountains in Germany, where the Amber Room may have been buried in salt mines. The most popular theory, however, is that the Amber Room was hidden in a lost underground shelter somewhere in the city of Königsberg, Germany. The beautiful room has been called the 8th wonder of the world, and historians estimate that its value today would be around $142 million. The search for the Amber Room continues to this day.